got 2 mortgages, 30 million to trying to take away from a nigga.
Hey y'all, what's up? I'm headed up northern Minnesota, up in the Mesabi range. Going to Buell tonight because I got a disc golf tournament over in Buell. It's currently Friday. It's actually Labor Day weekend right now. I had a super stressful day. You know, I started work at 6 a.m. and got off at 10 a.m. So it was just a long freaking day of work. Obviously, I'm joking. Yo, it was beautiful getting off at 10. I don't remember the last time I ever got off at 10. Yeah, I got a disc golf tournament. I don't know how it's going to be. There's only 10 people signed up for the tournament, which is weird because a couple months ago, this was a very popular tournament, but now things are different. I think a lot of people have Labor Day plans, so it's just going to be me and 9 other people in the tournament. As you can see back here, I brought my mountain bike. I also brought my skateboards, and I also brought my big green fishing kayak. Call it the Mean Green. So we got the Mean Green on top. So it's gonna be a great weekend. It's really misty right now, which is great because we just went through a drought. This whole summer has been a summer from hell, absolutely. So it's nice, we're getting some rain. Tomorrow the forecast is looking sunny and 72. So it should be a good day to do a tournament. I mean, hopefully I win. With that little of people, I really hope I win. Probably fall asleep early. Probably won't do any mountain biking or kayaking today. Probably just gonna enjoy the rainy vibes and just call it an early night. And then wake up tomorrow early, get ready for the tournament, and hit it off. Yeah, we got about an hour to go. Pretty psyched for this weekend, yo. Pretty psyched. Contigo, vivir contigo, bailar contigo, bailar contigo lo quiero. Yeah, man. Don't worry about the thing, man. Every little thing, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright, man. Don't you worry. Alright, y'all. Made it to Buell, Minnesota. Just got here. I just stopped to take a piss, but dude, this place looks beautiful. Look how clear that water is. Incredible. We're up north, baby. Alright, now I gotta find out where the campground is, and I gotta find out where the disc golf course is. See, this looks like it'd be nice to kayak right now, though. Holy shit. But we got things to do first. Alright, found the campground real easily. It's just a self-registration. Paid $10. It looks like there's only one other camper here. It is sweet. I like my seclusion. You know what I'm saying? But I don't got much for cash. I only got a 20 and 4-1, so I'm gonna try to scrounge up some quarters. See if I can make out $10. Alright, and that's why you keep loose change everywhere. I got 4 ones right there. Stack of quarters in there equals 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Yo! We're camping tonight, baby. Alright, I'm claiming this one. Way on top of the hill over here. Yo. Just sitting on my tent right now. I just realized I forgot a sleeping pad. Not ideal. Not ideal.
I can feel the
blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding.
Check it out. The disc golf course is 2 minutes away from me. Perfect, dude. Perfect. Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, I'm here at Judson Mine Park.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Alright, well that course is absolutely spectacular. Not expecting that, wow. I heard it was good, but damn, that's a sweet course. Yeah, I mean, first round I played, I shot a plus 10. There was one hole I shot a 7 on, it's par 3. But I was in the woods, and I kept throwing, hitting a tree, throwing, hitting a tree, throwing, hitting a tree. Could easily clean that up, and tomorrow I'll play it smart, obviously, if I'm in the woods again. And then what was the 6? Oh yeah, the 6 was, it was a very technical hole, and I know what I can do to fix that one too. So I'm feeling pretty good for tomorrow. I think if I can get below plus 10, which I have a feeling I will, I'll be happy. There were some holes I just laced the shot. I was on fire putting too. But yeah, I mean, those two hiccups, those 2 holes where I shot a 7 and a 6, that puts you at plus 7. Let's say you're shooting even the whole time and you get a 7 and a 6, that puts you at plus 7. That's why I shot a plus 10. So let's say I clean that up. You know, let's say I got just bogeys on both of them. I mean, I would be sitting at like plus 3 or plus 2, whatever I was at that point. So I'm feeling pretty confident tomorrow. I'm pretty happy with how I played for the first ever round there. And I learned a lot. So with what I learned right now, I'm gonna apply that tomorrow at the tournament. And, you know, hopefully just play good and have a good day, you know what I'm saying? It'll be a good day regardless, you know? It'll be fun. But as for right now, I need to head to Walmart and get a sleeping pad. And then I'm just gonna stop at Herbert's and Gerbert's. There's an Herbert's and Gerbert's right next to Walmart. I'm gonna eat that, head on back to the camp, call it a night, call it an early night. 7:46 right now. Tournament is at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. Well, players meeting is at 8:30 a.m. The actual tournament starts at 9. No one's here right now. I can't believe no one's practicing. Bro, this is crazy. There's gonna be a tournament tomorrow and nobody's even here. Nobody's hyped for it. Literally 10 people for the tournament tomorrow. I'm actually very curious to see how it even turns out, if it even turns out. But we'll see. We'll see. It's gonna be a good day regardless. I'm gonna make a weekend out of this, and it's gonna be a great Labor Day weekend. All right, let's head to Walmart and Herbs and Gerbs.
Turn left onto Rockridge Drive, then turn left.
All right, I'm gonna go with this one. It's got a built-in pump. All right, well, that took a little bit of time. Wound up getting lunch for tomorrow, some yogurt, some other snacks, some bananas and oranges, and some waters. I probably should have done that before I took off, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go see if Herbert's and Gerbert's is still open. 8:41 should be. I'm gonna eat that and then head on back to the tent. Alright, y'all, let me explain something. I didn't get Herbert's and Gerbert's, but I did get this cool little shop, local shop called Other Guys Burgers. I'd rather have that, honestly. So what happened was, when I first looked up Walmart on the Apple Maps, it showed me one that I passed on the way up here to the south of here, right? And that one had the Herberts and Gerbers next to it. When I looked again to navigate to Walmart, it brought me to one that was pretty much the same distance away from me, except north in Hibbing. And I didn't realize that, I didn't put that together. And then when I tried to look up Herberts and Gerbers, blah, blah, blah. You get it. But it's cool because I stopped at this little place, got me a nice burger. Smells good. I'm gonna go back to camp really quick and yeah, eat it. Let's go. Alright, y'all, just got back to camp. I have a visitor over here to my right. Just a neighbor. Someone's in a car. I don't know. But got the burger here and the fries. Some ketchup. Some water. And check this out. I got a beer only made in Wisconsin. Spotted Cow. I love this logo. And then I have a beer over here only made in Minnesota. Let's crack one of these open. I'm gonna crack the Spotted Cow open first. It's fucking good. And the park rule says no alcohol allowed, but just between me and you guys, yeah, I was just drinking water. Oh wow. Look at those fries, dude. Oh my god. That's beautiful. I'm very excited to eat right now. Bro, look at this thing. I got raw onions, pickles, mustard, ketchup. I think mushrooms with pepper jack cheese and bacon. Double burger. Oh, it's gonna hit the spot right here. Damn, these are really good fries too. Cheers, y'all. Alright, y'all. I just absolutely smashed that burger and fries. And now I'm stuffed. Now it is time to set up the freaking air mattress, dude. Why is this wheel like this? Okay, we're all good. We got it. Okay, wow, it comes in this nice little bag. Pop the bag open. See what we got inside. Cool, an air mattress. Who'd have thought? Alright, so it's got a auto fucking pump. It's gotta be pretty straightforward, right? You just turn the shit to the right and it fucking pumps up. Quick bed, air bed with built-in 4D pump. Watch it be like, oh, but you need the correct valve to screw on to the other end to make sure that no air leaks out or some stupid shit like that. Oh, are you dead ass? Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh, you gotta be joshing me, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, fuck me, dude. 4D batteries sold separately. Guess what I did not buy? 4D batteries. I don't like sleeping on the ground because I did that for a week one time up in Canada, thinking that it'd be fine because we stayed at a beach site. And the last night that I slept there on the beach sand with no mattress or anything, I slept like this, literally like this, on my right arm and my shoulder, and completely fucked up my shoulder. 4D batteries sold separately. Wait. Think I could blow this up? Okay. Maybe not. What do we do here? Dude, we're gonna make it work. Yo. I just figured out you have to. This is the deflate valve, and I was just blowing on it. Nothing happening, right? I read the instructions. To deflate the fucking airbed manually, you need to open the cap, then pull out, fully extended. Dude, check this out. Oh, dude, we're booming tonight. Dude, oh my goodness. Dude, I'm so psyched that I got this to work. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. Catch up with you guys tomorrow morning. Alright, peace and love. Good morning. Are you stuck? You gotta get out, dude. Come on, get out. Goofball. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Dude, when are you gonna learn? Are you ever gonna learn? Cause, homie, this is the last time I might help you out of here. Otherwise, you're gonna be stuck. Yeah, dude, you're gonna be stuck. You need to learn, dude. Alright, figure it out. Get out of there. What are you doing? Come on. Figure it out. Alright guys, just smashed a healthy breakfast. I'm gonna put this stuff away, pack up my tent, load up the truck, do a little workout, a little warm up, and then I'm gonna head off to the disc golf. I'm gonna head off to the disc golf course. That way. It's about 2 minutes right over there. And then, yeah. Alright guys, it's currently 8:29, turn 8:30 right now. Players meeting should be starting right now. Tournament starts in half an hour. I'm gonna head over to the disc golf course and let's go compete, baby. Let's see what we can do. I'll update you guys when I'm done with round 1. What's up, y'all? Just got done with round 1. Sun came out and it is hot. Alright, y'all, I wound up shooting +1, so that's a lot better than the +10 I shot yesterday. I really learned some things, and dude, I was on point today. Absolutely on point. I'm currently sitting in first place by 10 strokes. So let's go, baby. I almost had an ace. Just missed it by a little bit. My putting was on point. I felt comfortable. I felt it was all clean. Dude, absolutely psyched right now. So round 1 was from the long tees. Round 2 is going to be from the short tees. Just going to go out there, have fun. Play some disc golf. Feels good to play good. Let me tell you what. I'm going to whip up some lunch. Got some turkey, some bread, and some lettuce. No, spinach, actually. I'll whip that up, and then yeah, just relax a little bit, start round 2. Yo, your boy took first. Finished round 2. I did worse. Round 2 was the short tees versus the long tees in round 1. And I did worse. Where do I gotta go? There I go. I did worse. I shot a +3 versus my +1 on the long tees. So I don't know. After the front 9, I did pretty good on the front 9, but the back 9, I don't know. I got too tired or something and just was off. But I'm heading out of Buell, Minnesota. Psyched, man. I took first. What the fuck? By a long shot too. It was fun. It was real. I'm psyched. So I'm taking off to Ely right now. It's about an hour drive. Yeah, let's just have a good night. Good day, good night. Let's go, baby. First things first, I gotta stop at Paragus, get 4 D-size batteries, and a map. Alright, I got the maps. Definitely didn't need to buy these, but I did because I forgot the maps at home. Just so the area around Ely, I got map 3, map 4. I'm gonna look for sites just outside of the boundary waters that I can venture off into. Got 4 D-size batteries for the freaking sleeping pad. And I got a little dessert. I'll show you guys that later. I'm deciding against cooking tonight. I'm still gonna make this dessert, but dude, I had a long day at disc golf, you know. I got first place. I'm gonna head over to this restaurant right here. I already went into the restaurant because I had to piss really, really bad. And I went into the superstore over here, or the grocery store over here, and they didn't have a bathroom. So I ran over to Rockwood Cafe over here, or not cafe, but Rockwood, the restaurant. And I pissed, because I know they have a bathroom in there. I knew they had a bathroom in there, so I went in there and I pissed. Dude, I think I just deserve to chill out for a night. Grab a beer and some food. And then make my way on over to the lake. And find a campsite. Before it gets dark here. Got a baby back rib sandwich with a side of sweet potato fries. Woo! Alright, absolutely smashed that grub. Wow. Now I gotta find a place to sleep tonight. I mean, I could go to Snowbank Lake and go for that campsite. I'll try Toft. I'll try Toft. We'll try Toft Lake. Let's give it a shot. It's 3 campsites. Hopefully I can get one of them, you know? Toft Lake. Alright, let's go down 169 the whole way. Turns into 18. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it before it gets fucking dark as fuck out. Oh fuck, dude. That's not a good sign. Alright, well, there's definitely one site being used. Dude, it looks like the other 2 campsites look open. The one right here for sure is not. There's a big ass canopy. It looks like the other 2 are open, and it almost looks like there's another campsite off to the side here that's not marked on the map. So I think we're gonna be alright. Alright, let's go. Oh, that's cold. Check it out, guys. Got the mean green out here on top lake, baby. See, there's a campsite over there taken, but there's one about here and one about there. Looks open. Just making my way. You. Shit. Alright, well, I just pulled up on the site. But someone's here. I thought it was open. Gotta go check that site. Yes, dude. Yes. Alright, no one's camped here. I'm claiming it. Fucking cool, dude. Yes, what a day, what a night. Here we go. We're here. Oh yeah, dude. So psyched. So psyched right now. Look at this stupid freaking air mattress. Alright, I'm gonna set up my tent before it storms out because there's been scattered thunderstorms all around and moving through here, so I set up my tent. I didn't bring a tarp, but I'm gonna set up my tent. Just make sure I have somewhere to be dry, you know? Yeah, I can't believe this right now. This freaking air mattress self-inflates. So much better than the last, so much better than blowing it up by mouth. Took me like an hour to do that last night. This will take maybe 5 minutes. Let's go. Alright guys, got the tent set up. Camp is here. Got the hammock set up over here. All before it got dark out. Boat over there. Oh yes, dude. Feeling good, feeling great. I'm gonna get involved with this Cache Lake camping food chocolate pie, 2-person. I eat like I'm 2 people, so that's perfect. Got a little rain shower coming through. Then we should be in the clear once this passes. I'm gonna cook up that chocolate pie. And drink some beer. Just chill. The rain stopped. Should be clear for a while. Yes, dude. Fuck yeah. Let's go make some chocolate pie and drink some beer. Beer. Good Lord, is that good? So I mean, really, you don't even need like a stove or heat. You can literally just mix that chocolate mix in water and then sprinkle graham crackers on it, or the graham mixing on it, and it'll just be cold. But I wanted to heat it up a little bit, and it tastes really good warm. I can tell you that right now.
But another way that they recommended you do it is, mix the filling with water, and then you spread out. And then you put oil in a frying pan, and you spread out the graham crust on top of the oil on a frying pan. Heat it up until the oil sizzles, and then put the pudding mix in, and then continue to cook it until it becomes warm all the way through. But this right here works perfectly. It's warm. We got chocolate pie, baby. Camping chocolate pie. I don't really indulge in sweets much, but when I do, shit's amazing, dude. Alright, y'all. I'm tucked in, and I'm tired. My nose is stuffy out of nowhere, too. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dude, we're like this close to the boundary waters right now. Just out here in the wilderness, baby. Couldn't get enough of it, so I came back. Alright. I'm gonna fall asleep. Set no alarm. Dude. Labor Day weekend is sick as fuck. Alright. Get outside, guys. Stay awesome. Peace and love.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.